So how to start? I'm sharing the screen here. Let's see. I'm sharing your screen. Screen is visible to all. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So I'm
Yes,
starting. So
sir.
guys, now click on the start menu. If you have installed in your PC, go for the all apps. Then select basic 256. Then basics 256 application. It will be started soon. Just wait. Yes, this is the IDE, Integrated Development Environment. What do you mean by IDE? Integrated Development Environment that provide all features like coding source, compiler, interpreter, linkers, etc. इसमें पूरा आपको एक IDE मिल जाता है जिसकी हेल्प से आप अपने प्रोग्राम को एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हो इजीली. Okay, so we are going to design hash, that is the comment. When you are going to start any comment in your program, you will use the hash before the line. आपको पहले hash यूज करना है लाइन से पहले, ठीक है, कमेंट करने के लिए. एरिया ऑफ ए rectangle. So you know we need the two things like length and width. If we see the mathematical funda, length and width will be there, then we are able to calculate the area of a rectangle, right? Yes, you know. Is class I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
exactly. So that is
Yes, sir.
length and width. We are taking the length. Yes. So we are taking the length. Input. Enter a length of a enter length of a rectangle. And we have to store the variable. Two things are there, so that is the L. We have to take the L as a length. Next, input enter breadth of a rectangle, right? We will take the variable for breadth b. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
So now we have to calculate, you know, the L into B is the formula, and else nothing is, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. L into B I have learned. You, so we will take the another value for the calculations like the A या area. We can write L into B. It's okay. Then we have to present our calculations over the screen in the output window. So we will use the print statement, and if you want to show the message, you have to write in inverted commas as a string, area of a rectangle is इन्वर्टेड कॉमा क्लोज प्लस. इसके साथ हम प्लस वाई क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? बिकॉज इट विल बी कनेक्ट एज ए स्ट्रिंग, तो वो उसके साथ कॉन्केटिनेट हो जाता है. एरिया, एरिया में कैलकुलेट हो रहा है तो हमने एरिया को कनेक्ट कर दिया. लेट्स सी, रन. सी ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड यू हैव सी द मैसेज. लेंथ ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगल, सपोज आई विल प्रोवाइड द लेंथ ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगल, आई थिंक 100 या 10 ले रही हमने. एंड विड्थ ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगल देन अथर्वा. Width may be suppose 25 for example. Then the result is area of a rectangle is 250. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt with this concept?
No, sir.
Okay, so I think so it is easy to create a program. It is easy to create a program using the basic.
Then what?
I'm asking, it is easy to create program with basic.
Yes, sir.
Good. So, do you know how to save? Click on the file menu, select the save program, and give the name of your program as a file name, area of a rectangle. I have already discussed with the previous classes. Yesterday you have seen the program here. So area of a rectangle, मैंने 1 के नाम से सेव करना बिकॉज वी हैव ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल विथ क्लास 6, तो मैंने सेव कर दिया. सेम ऐसा एरिया ऑफ ए सर्किल. एरिया ऑफ ए सर्किल, व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ सर्किल?